Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's start discussing today's current affairs. The format of the discussion of the current affairs will be like we will discuss the points, and with each point the questions that can be framed, we will discuss the questions also. So let's start with today's first current affair. Khushi Jindali of India became the regional ambassador of UNEP. Point number 1. 17-year-old Khushi Chandalia has been appointed as a regional ambassador of India by the Tunza Eco Generation United Nations Environmental Program. So the questions which can be framed from this point are: you need to remember her name, like who has been appointed as the regional ambassador by UNEP. Also, you need to remember the full form of UNEP. Let's move on to the second point. In her new role, Khushi will raise awareness about the importance of climate change and environmental protection and the protection of environmental treasures. The question can be asked like, what will be the new role of Khushi Chindalia as the regional ambassador of UNEP? Third point is, she will work with TEG on various environmental awareness programs till February 2021. Till when Khushi Chindalia will be working with TEG, with whom Khushi Chindalia will work as a brand ambassador of UNEP. Let's move on to the next current affair of today. Kritagya Hackathon by National Agriculture Higher Education Project of ICAR. Point number 1. A hackathon named Kritagya has been planned by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, that is ICAR, and the National Agriculture Higher Education Project. So the questions which can be framed are: what is the name of the hackathon that is planned by Indian Council of Agriculture Research? Also, which Council of India has planned this hackathon? So you need to remember the name of council also. Also, full form of NAHEP. Questions can be framed: what is the full form of NAHEP? Let's move on to the next point. This hackathon has been organized with special emphasis on women-friendly devices, as well as promoting potential technology solution to increase mechanization in agriculture. So the question is, what will be the main emphasis of Kritagya? Third point is, students, faculty, and innovators and entrepreneurs of any university technical institute across the country can apply for this program by participating in a group. Question can be framed like, who can apply for this program? The answer, you can write the answers of the questions in comments. Let's move on to the next current affair. Central Pollution Control Board celebrated 46th Foundation Day. The Central Pollution Control Board celebrated its 46th Foundation Day. So you need to remember the date. When did Central Pollution Board celebrated its 46th Foundation Day? Next point. CPCB was established on 23rd September 1974 under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 as a technical part of the central government for environmental research, monitoring, regulation and enforcement in the country. Let's see a question which can be framed. When was CPCB was established? What is the full form of CPCB? Under which act CPCB was established? And what was the purpose of CPCB? All these answers are in second point. Next current affair we have is Bollywood actor Bhupesh Pandya passed away. Theatre personality and Bollywood actor Bhupesh Pandya, best known for his role in Ayushmann Khurrana's debut film Vicky Donor, has passed away. So you need to remember the date. When did Bhupesh Pandya passed away? Also, one more question which can be framed from the first point is, in which film he worked with actor Ayushmann Khurrana? You need to remember the name of the movie. And the next point is, he was a student of National School of Drama. So you need to remember the name of the school where did he studied acting. Next current affair. Minister of State for Railway Suresh Angadi passed away. Point number 1. Union Minister of State for Railways Suresh Angadi died after suffering from coronavirus disease. Again, you need to remember the date. When did he die? Also, what was the cause of his death? Second point, he was the first member of the Union Cabinet to die due to coronavirus. The question can be framed like who was the first member of the Union Cabinet to die due to coronavirus. Third point, Suresh Angadi was a four-time Lok Sabha MP from Belagavi constituency in Karnataka. So question can be framed like how many times Suresh Angadi was elected Lok Sabha MP from Belgavi constituency. Also, you need to remember the name of constituency from which he was elected as MP. Point number 4. Also, he was elected in 2014, 2019. You need to remember the 2004, 2014, and 2019 years. Question can be like in which years he was elected. So that's it for today. We will meet in next video with more current affairs. Till then, take care, keep studying.